slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequences.
हेलो पीपल, व्हाट्सअप। कैसे हो दोस्तों? मेरा साउंड आई होप आ रहा है बराबर। मेरा साउंड आई होप ओके प्रॉपर आ रहा है एकदम। ज्वाइन करो जल्दी जल्दी, लाइक दबा दो जल्दी जल्दी, हो सके तो ऐड देखो। सो आज हम क्या करेंगे? लास्ट स्ट्रीम पे हमने किया था ये सारी चीजें। कहाँ गया? बग बाउंड्री, इंटीग्रिटी, BMW इंफॉर्मेशन। तो हमें कुछ इंफॉर्मेशंस मिले थे, हमने कुछ डोमेन एक्सट्रैक्ट किए थे जो हमें काफी अच्छा लग रहा था, लेकिन हमें ये सब नहीं चाहिए। हमें चाहिए BMW से रिलेटेड। सो Hmm. Just hack it. Welcome to the stream. Hello, sir. Hello. What's up? क्या हाल है? एक बार स्ट्रीम को लाइक दबा देना. क्या चल रहा है सबका? हंटिंग कैसा चल रहा है? Wow. It feels so laggy. Bro. हेलो आदित्य. कैसे हो? वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. आई होप इसी तरीके से होता है. अगर इस तरीके से नहीं होता फिर तो लाइक थोड़ा बेइज्जती हो जाएगा फिर. आई थिंक इट्स नॉट वर्किंग. लेट मी डू वन थिंग. What was that? It was 50. No. What was this? Win CSCP. The easiest thing in the world. I love UI. I love UI. What was it? 103. Guys, UI is best. Command line sucks. UI is best. Come on. Oh shit. I did mistake. This is in desktop, right? Yes. Oh, there is live subdomain. There you go. So many files are there. Why so many files are there? Hmm. This is what I need. Now let me what are you doing right now? I am doing subdomain enumeration. This is all the subdomains of bmw.com, and these are all the live subdomains. So these are all our assets. These are all a particular website that we are gonna perform attack. So these are our assets, and if we find any vulnerability in any of these website, that is gonna be a real thing. Okay, let's do one thing. Will it work? Okay. Right. Hello, which tool used for subdomain enumeration? Subdomain enumeration, you can use Subfinder, you can use Sublister. There are many tools you can use, but I feel Subfinder is one of the great tool. Hey, hello Sek. Isek, welcome to the stream. Gaurav Kumar, welcome to the stream. Like कर देना दोस्तों. Like the stream if you have not yet. And today we are gonna tell you excellent an excellent approach to find live subdomains. Not only live subdomains but also their status. So I hope it got captured in the bug suite. So let's close this. It feels so laggy because there are, you can see a lot of things going on my laptop. Browser, OBS, Notepad, VMware, a note taking tool, bug switch. I have to close the Linux. This is the thing I want. Yep, exactly this one. So update host reader to mesh target. Please give us write up and comment you used for BMW. Um, that is very tricky one. Very tricky one. You can note actually while I am doing all of this, you can watch my stream. You can take on like a notebook. You can write all the commands I'm doing, all the things I'm approaching, like what I did first, then what I did, then what I did. You can take note. Okay. Did you check authentication in BMW? No, not yet. I did not. What is your first approach? How you select first bug to find? Can you tell us? My first approach is always information disclosure. That's why I have the live. I have like I had live of 3, 4, 5 days of information disclosure like Google dorking, all that stuff. So my first approach is obviously the information disclosure, and then I find subdomains, all that stuff. Good evening, bro. Good evening. Like the stream, brother. Welcome to the stream. Like the wada dosto. Okay, I'm gonna do this and just say one thing. There are special rules. Guys, outside is raining, so anytime the light can go. So if the light goes, the stream will be ended. That's why I'm feeling so worried. I don't know what is going to happen. They have this X integrity username crowd setting. Wait, where is it? Wait, what? Payload processing. You can not this one at least. There is nothing. Where it goes? Request header. Update content length header. Okay. Attack results. Alright. Where it goes? The string one. Okay, forget it. I will find out it later. Now you can see we are getting results. What we are getting is very important to look at. We are getting 30 on, we are getting 400, which is a bad request. We are getting 404, we are getting 403, we are getting 505, we are getting 200. So a lot of mixing of uh, response code. So this is very interesting actually. So whenever the enumeration is ended, the brute force is ended, this information can help us to find or to map the like that thing. Okay, map the assets. Today my English is going above my head, so sorry for that. I hope you understand my English. Try to bypass 403. We don't need to bypass 403. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you how you can find bugs, or you can approach 403 without even bypassing it. Okay, you don't need to bypass 403. I mean all 403 at least. So let's suppose we are gonna take this. Okay, this is a 403, right? So we are gonna take this subdomain and we are gonna, it will be a good bug if forbidden 403 would be bypassed. Yeah, that's right, but let me show you one thing that why you don't need 403 bypass. This is a 403 forbidden page, as you can see. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna brute force some default pages. Okay, we are gonna, okay, no background sound, that's okay, perfect. So we are gonna do some default directory brute force. So the default directory is one of the directories robot.txt. Now as you can see, it shows us the result. That means only the front page, only this home directory is 403. That means if there is this file, if there is this directory, then it will show you. You can see it's showing 404. That means it does not exist. So in this case, you don't need to bypass this 403 page. You just need to find a right directory. How can you do that? You can't find this in this page because this is the 403 forbidden page. So what you can do, first thing is you can copy this subdomain. You can say site and this. There is nothing interesting, don't worry. You can use the directory brute force tool, which is dirb, which is dir search. There is a lot of, there is ffuf, one of the best tools. There is a lot of tools you can use to do that. So this is very interesting thing that you don't need to bypass all 403 forbidden pages, but still you can find bugs in that. So I hope you got the concept. If you got the concept, then like the stream, guys. This is one of that thing that no people talk about. Okay, this is a real thing, and like no people talk about this thing. So where are we? RESGIS. Okay, so we need to brute force it. It's completely okay. There is a server. It also follows it is very interesting. It also has the same thing. So as I said, if you find this kind of thing where 403 is in the home directory, but uh, a present directory is saying showing result, and a non-present directory is showing 404. That means the page is not 403. It's just the home page that is 403. You can still find bugs in this page. Okay, so I have to use nmap for this. I think I don't need to use nmap. Oh, oh. Now look at this. We got something very interesting. What type of bug vulnerability you mostly get? I mostly hunt for information disclosure is my first priority. Then I hunt for broken access control. That's the thing I love the most. So we got this page, and I hope this is from BMW, but it's saying that it is from Place Obsidian. I don't know what it is. I think okay, place admin addition. That means this is the admin panel. Okay, this is totally an admin panel, and we found it from here. There is a port running on 8443. We clicked it. We redirect from this page to this page. Now you got it. How we can still find hidden places, vulnerabilities. That's very essential to know. So what if we type admin incorrect username password? So now we can brute force the username and password. If there is a login up, is there any signing up? No, there is no signing up. Okay, interesting. So are you guys understanding what I am doing? Is anything goes up your head, or you are okay with that? So if you're liking the stream, then like the stream. If you're enjoying it, then show some respect. There's a login up.php. Username type name is user. Okay. Okay. There is 24 results. How to get search button in incept code? What do you mean by incept code? What is incept code? Oh, inspect code. This one, like Control F. You press Control U to get into view source page. Then you click Control F in the Windows. Okay, there are some informations like name php admin, name db admin, ctx id. It can be username, which is good. There is like grafana says. Okay, the default plex administrator user is admin, but there isn't a single default password. Okay, so we got the username. So what is our username? Our username is admin, and the password can be anything. So what can be the password? That's what we need to find out. So password. Is there any password? Yeah, there is password. There are 25. There are 25 matches. Interesting. Come on, can we get a password? Password label. Get a password. Okay. Oh, we got something. To avoid SSL warning, Plesk login, use this. New to Plesk resolution, use /root and the password entered when creating the droplet login. Plesk login. Okay. No, there is not interesting password. Is there any JS file? Yeah, there are some JS files like vendors, globals. Let's open one of them. There is manifest.js. Where is it? This manifest. It's not interesting. Is the password is what can be the password? That's very interesting. CP theme. Oh, we have to log in. Okay. Are you finding the exploit? Yes, I am trying to find an exploit because uh, there is no password. I can find password. So there are two possibilities I can do. I can brute force the password because I found the username. It's admin. So I can brute force the password, or there is a version you can see it's 18.0.72. So if the version is vulnerable to any exploit, we can exploit that using that public exposed CV, right? So that's how we can exploit it. So yeah, that's correct. But there is no vulnerability, you can see there is no exploit available right now. That's completely fine because we got some information. So I'm gonna take note of this page. That's probably one of the best thing to do. Domains. This is the new domain. Oh, there is a main.js. I didn't see that. There is a slash admin. I have to log in. Do I have to log in? No, this field doesn't exist. Okay, not a problem, not a big deal because it was saying that it exists, isn't it? Yeah, it was saying it exists. Come on, SMB. Oh, it exists, but it's inside the login page. That's completely fine. That's okay. Mm, So, can we find? Wait. Admin subscription revealed. That's looking very sus. Oh, I have to log in. Okay, no worry. By the way, guys, like the stream if you're enjoying it. Subscription, admin. Oh my god, my eyes are hurting. Try to find that login parent exploit on the exploit DB. Might be got something. There is nothing in exploit DB. This is the login page. This is the admin login page in port 8443. This is the IP and the username is admin. So I have to just find the password, and that's the most hard thing to do, and I'm trying to do that. Okay, so दिल थाम के बैठिए दोस्तों, कुछ ना कुछ तो मिल ही जाएगा. Okay, there are some of the admin pages. You can see report, admin report message. There are a lot of things. Start brute force. Uh, that's not probably a good idea to do. Most probably it's not a good idea to brute force that login page right now. But if we find anything, okay, if we don't find anything, then that will be a good option. Because if we like now, if we do brute forcing, this will be a horrible thing to do. Come on, yeah, come on. One directory. one vulnerable directory. That will be over for this. Okay, that's completely fine. Oh my god, there is a lot of thing. There is a lot of thing. There's a PHP 3. You can see, guys, you can see what we found, what we have found. That's what I am talking about. Look at this. If any of these are vulnerable, if any of these pages are vulnerable to broken access control, then it's gonna be over for BMW. Okay, because there is a okay. Let's just admin and admin. Okay, incorrect username and password. Let's do password. No, it's not. Do you get private request? I do get private request, uh, but currently I'm not hunting on private programs, but I do get. I had four or five private programs in BugBase, and I deleted that account. Why people are messaging me? Hold on, guys. Let me just mute that Discord sound. So, who is this? Who is messaging me? Okay, it's the chat box. Okay, no worry. So there is also a login. Is allowed without license. Let me just do this. Enter password. So I have to enter password. But if I do this, it's incorrect. That's completely fine. To a SSL on the reflex login, use this. Okay, no worry. Setup progress. Can I see this? Guys, are we enjoying the stream? Are you? If you are, then there is no likes. Why? Views. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. There is a lot of things. Configure mail client.php. Oh my god, this is also inside the login page. No way. Admin force reset password. What is force reset password? Okay, admin customer list. I don't think that will be. I think what is happening, the directory slash admin is totally secure. So, like, this is totally secure, the directory admin. So, I don't think we can get anything here. But once we get the username and password, then that will be over. So, we have to find the okay. DNS loader, admin setting, admin database setting. Okay. No. Do you use any premium tool? I don't use any premium tool. The burp suite the only thing is premium is this burp suite. This is also cracked. So it's partially premium, but it's cracked. It's totally free. This is I'm not promoting piracy, but that's what I'm doing. So I don't know. Okay, there are some databases. CP server DB. Can we access this? Come on, come on. There are people chatting in the Discord. Guys, if you want a great community, okay, then visit the Discord. Oh my god. Wait. ओके, हमें उनको बता दिया है तो you can see like the main.js contain a lot of information, a lot of information. So whenever you hunt on a target, try to hunt like this main.js. This is very good JS file. This is very good JS file. Okay, user ID slash password. This is the path. What? How can this is a path? Okay, let's try. Let's try to copy this. Obviously, this is not a path. There is no dashboard. Well, there is post, but I don't need post. I want something that is PHP. There is logout.php. PHP. There is a path. Oh shit! Something happened. Invalid secret code. Nice. So we have to find an secret code. So this is our directory. Okay, this is our directory, and we have to say secret code is equal to 123. One, two, three. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. It will always loading. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna set this, and I'm gonna point one thing, that is PHP admin, and I think that's it. Oh, it didn't load it. That's completely okay. Get password.php. That's an interesting endpoint. Can we get a password? We have to reset the email address, but I don't have an email address. So how can I do that? Well, I can do this username, because we know one username, which is admin. So I'm gonna intercept my bug suite. I'm gonna intercept this one. I'm gonna say admin and press send. Internal error, network error when attempting to fetch this. So this is like hell. Okay, both are sucks. No worry. What if I do now? What if I do now? Admin. Internal error. Okay, something is going wrong here somehow. We got that username, right? We got that username, so it's not working. It's their problem, not our. But admin setup. on, come on, come on, come on, come on, no. Admin setup progress, info ID, views, admin app info. Page not found. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's do admin. Okay. And let's capture the request. It's still going on, more 500 response. That will be over. So let's capture this. This is the response. Let's send this to repeater. Let request extension intercept the response. Okay. What if we? Oh. Constantly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. The data is empty. Okay. I think login panel is vulnerable with CV 2025. Are you sure? Let me check. 2025 54336 54336. Come on, what is happening with my network? Oh, I guess it's the bug switch. Yep. What is this? 54336. Not, but try once might be working. But this is not vulnerable, right? Let me see. Obsidian 18.17 18.0.70 point 2 version. In Flex, Obsidian is admin password valid uses equal to compression. Thus, if the correct password is 0e followed by a digit string, this can attack and login without any other string that evaluate to, such as the string this occurs in admin login manager.php. Is there anything like this? Let me see. File not found. Okay, not. So what it was? 0e0. A vulnerability identified as CV 2025 affects how players compare the admin password during authentication. Okay, this can be, but I have to figure out how this work. I have to figure it out. There is there is no other details about the exploitation. So what we can do, we can copy this. Obviously, it will not work, but I have to figure it out. You can see. The issue is resolved in following place version, which is 18.0.71, and our target is using 18.0.72. So our target is not vulnerable. You got it? There was a chance of getting that because this is the place where we could find the username and password, but there is nothing. You can see this is the login name because I thought there would be a value, and the passwd there would be a value, but there is nothing. God, thank you. By the way, guys, like the stream if you are new, and if you love my content, if you love my work, then subscribe the channel for more content, more live stream like this, more content like this. Okay. So far, we got this awkward looking. Now what is interesting? Look at this. What is interesting? Let me show you what is interesting. We found this page, this page. We found the username. We found the admin pages. Like we found these all of these admin pages from a 403 forbidden page without even bypassing it. So that's a real thing. Okay, I hope you got the point. What I'm trying to say. It's okay. So let's move on. Let's move on to the next thing. What we can do here? We can brute force it, but I don't think brute force will be a good option here. Um, oh, where it goes? Okay, you can see here we got a lot of things. 303. This is the server is using Nginx. Yeah, the server is using Nginx. It's using PHP, but there is no PHP version. But we can hunt for PHP like PHP info. There is no page. We can do this, right? we can do PHP info directory browse file. We can do this. Oh no, I think it didn't come. No, it didn't come. PHP browse. Is there any particular file of PHP? This is the same. Oh no, this is not the same, but it is also info.php. Okay. Oh, okay. We got something. This is component pages. That's hold on, guys. For 2 minutes. I'll be back soon. I'm back, guys. Where are we? बारिश हो रहा है, पूरा भीग चुका हूँ मैं, but it's completely fine. Oh wait, what I've just noticed? Oh, this is the same. Okay, not a big deal. Wow, Hello, Starlocks. Welcome to the stream. So, what we can do? Mm, PHP. I don't think there is a PHP version. There is no password also. There is a admin home, but admin directory is safe totally. So I don't think it will be a good option to do that. There is upload section, there is progress section, app use, a lot of things. One more interesting thing is these without slash directories are like not a real directory. It's showing all of them are 404, right? If we copy this page and if we say this, it will give me 404. But if we do this, it will redirect me to the login page. So that's like something very odd. Oh my god. What happened to my cat? Admin customer domain. Okay, let's move on. Let's forget this subdomain. Okay, we will work on this later. Let's move on. Okay, so where were we? Sorry. Modules. Mhm. PCCC, welcome to the stream. Do you have Telegram or something like that to share our your finding or our knowledge? Yes, sure. There is a Discord link in the description, and all I don't know Discord in the description will work or not, but there is a link in the channel, so you can visit my channel and click the Discord link to join the Discord server. There are already 40 plus people. You can share your knowledge with them, or I can share my finding or anything I find with you. So don't forget to join that. But before that, don't forget to like the stream if you want to become a part of this community. I guess. Okay, guys, move on. Let's move on from here. The attack is nearly done. We can save this. Result table. Mhm. Result dot txt. Wait, no, I fucked up last time. How to save this? Wait, I forget how to save this. No way. XLS, I guess. Let me see if that worked. Where is XLSX? Where is XLSX? What? Where I saved it? Yeah, it's in desktop. There is result. PQR. Okay, it's in the end. Excel cannot open because the file format extension is not valid. What? No worry, we will save this another time using result.xls. I hope this time it will work. No, it didn't work. Guys, am I becoming dumb day by day? I'm not getting it. Am I becoming dumb day by day? I feel like I'm becoming a dumb. Okay, just result. Yeah, just result. Open with relax. Makes sense. Oh my god, that should not happen. Uh, how can I copy this? Okay, I can do one thing. I can do copy this and I can open Excel. A very complicated process of doing the easiest thing in the world as a cyber. Uh, wow. So yeah, it worked. It worked, guys. It worked. So now, now you can see we have all the status, all the live status. Now what you can do, you can what the fuck? You can just do one thing to sort all of the status codes. Most people what they do, they use automated tools. Uh, Phonate heads, welcome to the stream. Hey brother, what's up? Don't forget to like the stream, and if you love my content, then subscribe. And so, what you can do, we can use filter option. Okay, we have to select all the pages, then we can select filter. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to just select the status filter. Now we can select the 200. So first day, let's suppose you want to hunt on only 200 subdomains, the 200 status code subdomains. So you have to select 200, nothing else. And now you have all the subdomains that had 200 response code. That is so easy. You don't have to use any automated tools, any screenshot tools, all that. So now what you can do, you can just copy all of these. Okay, so let's copy this. And now I have a multi-link opener. You can have this too. And let's open. So all the subdomains has a different tab. You can see now you can visit all of them one by one, and you can verify if they're working, what is interesting. So that's how I hunt. That's how I do subdomain enumeration and that stuff. Second. So I hope you got this. So how many of you liked the process? Is there any person who liked the process? I don't know if any of you like the process because this is very dumb process, I know, but that's the process I do. And please enter VIN. I don't have VIN. This is the developer fuse card. So now I don't hunt on 200. So what I can do, I can filter this out by, let's suppose 403, because 403 is the most important, most interesting subdomain all over the status code. So now I can copy all of these. I can close this. I can reopen this. I can do this. Now let's see how many subdomain have the same thing. Okay, look at this. They all are 403. They all are 403. They all are 403, right? It says it works. Wow, what an interesting subdomain. Missing authentication token. Okay, okay, it works. That's totally fine. So we saw that it worked as our, and both are same, so we don't need this. Now it says it works. So is there anything? No, there's nothing. There's only it works. Is there anything like robots.txt? No, there is nothing. Okay, interesting. Hmm. Okay, there was only two things. There was only two subdomains. Now you can see this subdomain. What is the difference between this subdomain and this 403? This subdomain return 403 in robots.txt also. So this is a generic 403 page. The whole subdomain is 403. You can't access any of these pages, any of the pages in this page, in this subdomain. But in this page, it returned the content of the robots.txt. That's the different. Okay, that's the difference, not different. The difference. I hope you got it. So we lost our path. I was doing something else. What is going on? Something really. The request service does not exist. And how the fuck this came? Oh wait. There is no 405. 405s are most one of the interesting thing also. There is one 404. Maybe fuzzing. What is it? What is maybe fuzzing? If for what? For directory brute force? We can use directory brute force, but I don't want to use my Kali Linux right now. Otherwise, my laptop will be blast. Do SQL injection. What? Where? Where is the SQL injection? Oh, it's just 401. Oh, I need that. Okay. It's 404. It also 404. No SQL possibility. Mm-hmm. Okay. I think we lost. I had a goal today, but we lost somehow. Yeah, I think we lost. But that's completely fine. We got something. I have to manage all of this. We got two things. Not only two things, but a lot of things. So, can we get two more likes, guys? Can we get two more likes? 401, 403, 404. Very strange. This is 401. This is 404. Not this one. This is 404. Okay. Can we get two more likes, guys? Can we get two more likes to complete today's goal? Can we get two more likes? Okay, one more thing. Can we do this to this page? I don't think this will work, but क्या जा रहा है यूज करने में? Oh, it does not exist. Alright, guys, we are lost. Somehow my brain is hurting right now. एंड वी आर लॉस्ट सो आई थिंक स्ट्रीम को एंड करते हैं यहीं पे आज थोड़ा बहुत चीज़ें मिला है अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें नेक्स्ट स्ट्रीम पे इसी चीज़ के ऊपर काम करेंगे एंड आज बात करूँ चीज़ों की, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिले, इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ें जो हमें अब तक नहीं मिले थे. सो आई होप वी विल गेट दैट. ओके, सो मिलते हैं अगले स्ट्रीम पे. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. एनी क्वेश्चंस, कोई सवाल जवाब, लास्ट 2-3 मिनट. ओ माय गॉड, my brain is hurting so much. What's tomorrow's plan? Tomorrow's plan is currently working all of that. Like we have found a lot of things, right? We have this new domains, this endpoints, this JavaScript. There is a lot of endpoints, admin endpoints. There is a login page which has a admin username. There is a cpanel login page. There is a JavaScript file that has many admin directories. It also has some directories, interesting subdomain. So we are collecting information, and then if we find something that will work for us. Alright guys, tada, bye bye. Thanks for watching.
I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt a glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven, it found my bones and gave me